What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the GravaStar A2 Pro Mars charging base. Now, this is a wireless charger for the GravaStar Mars Pro Shark 14 Bluetooth speaker, which we unboxed, assembled, and reviewed in the previous video. Now, this video is featured on the Futuristic Gear playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find these items and related accessories at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. First, we have the user guide, which is perfect for a picture frame. Next, we have the USB-A to USB-C braided charging cable and USB-C to magnetic charging adapter. Finally, we have the GravaStar A2 Pro charging base. The charging base is constructed of plastic and has a Sci-Fi appearance, which complements the Mars Pro Shark 14 speaker. Powering up the charging base is straightforward. Connect the USB-C cable to the USB-C port on the base itself, and then plug the other end into a power adapter. The base features a light mode button. Now, the product information states this button has 3 modes, but I only noticed a breathing mode and an always on mode. Then we have the light button, and that allows you to switch between 6 colors. Next, we have the USB-C to magnetic charging adapter to install into the base of the Shark 14 Pro. So we are going to take this. We've got a nice camera angle, and I am going to line up here and plug right in. And there we go. Next, we could take the Shark 14 Pro and place it on top of the charging base. And that's what the complete kit will look like. Now, when it comes to the wireless charging adapter, there's this thin piece of foam pre-installed on this portion of the adapter itself, and it actually needs to be removed. Now, this isn't clearly indicated in the directions, and it actually looks like this foam belongs on this portion of the adapter. But if you don't remove it, what tends to happen is an intermittent connection between the charging base and the speaker itself. So, final thoughts. Overall, this whole kit looks great together with its sci-fi appearance. The RGB color options of both the speaker and the charging base are ideal for modern decor or a gaming setup. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way to show your support is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to support us is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out. Yeah.